Hello, good morning everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, in last class we started revision of 15th chapter working with Microsoft Word. We revised this chapter till to how to save a document. Today we will revise print preview. Okay, today we will revise print preview. You know what is print preview? In print preview, we can view our document before printing it, how a document looks when it is printed. Okay, if we want to make any correction or any editing in our document, after viewing it we can do this. So that's why we need print preview. What is print preview? Now read. Print preview allows you to have an idea as to how a document would look when printed. Okay. This is an option for editing and making the last minute correction or change in the layout of the page before printing. Means in the last minute you can make changes, or you can, and if you want to do any correction, any change in layout, you can do before printing it. Now the steps how we can view our document before printing it. First step, click the Microsoft Office button. You can see here, this is Microsoft Office button. Second, point the arrow next to the print. You can see here arrow, you have to click on it, then click the print preview. After that you can see print preview, you have to click on this. When you reaches here, then you can see option print preview. After that you have to click on it, the print preview window appears. You can see this is a print preview window. To exit print preview and return to the previous view of the document, click the close print preview button. You can see here close print preview button, you have to click on it. Okay. Now to print a document, how we can take a print of document? When you are ready with the document, you can use these commands to print the same. Okay. To print a document, first you have to click on the Microsoft Office button. First step is click on the Microsoft Office button. After that, click print. You can see here option print. You have to click on it. This time you will not click on this arrow key, only you have to click on the print. Okay. Keyboard shortcuts to print the file, press Ctrl plus P. You can use your keyboard also, then press the keys Ctrl plus P to print a document. After that, students, you can see a dialog box appears. This is the print dialog box. Okay, the print dialog box appears. You can see. Okay, in the name box, click the printer you will use to print the file. You can see this. This is the name box. You have to write the name of printer to which you are giving command to print. If you want to print more than one copies of your document, enter the number in the number of copies text box. Here you can fill the how many copies you want. Suppose you want 2, then you have to increase the number of copies from there. Okay, here 2 arrows, down arrows and up arrows. These are for increasing and decrease number of copies. From here you can increase or decrease the number of copies. Okay. Fifth step, click the OK button to send the document to the printer. After that, click OK. Okay. Students, one more thing I want to tell you in print. If you want, your document has suppose 4 pages. If you want all pages to print, then you have to click on this all option. Or if you want to print only current page, then you have to click on this current page. Okay. It is your, and otherwise page number, which page you want to print. Okay. You have to choose it from there. Now, to close a document. As you finish working on a document, use these commands to close it. First one, click the Microsoft Office button. You can see this. This is a Microsoft Office button. You have to click on it. Second, click close button. Here you can see close button. After that, you have to click on this close button. Otherwise, you have another one option. Click on the icon cross. You can see here. You have to click on it. In the right top corner of the window, the document closes. Okay. Students, as you close the document, a dialog box appears. When you click here, a dialog box appears like that. Okay. In which Microsoft Office Word asks you to do, you want to save the changes to computer.docs. You can see, do you want to save the changes to the computer.docs? Doc means you want to save the changes or not, or you want to cancel. If you want to change the savings, then click on yes, otherwise no. Okay, your document will save. After that, giving command yes or no, you can close your document. Okay, click yes if you want to save and click no if you want to don't save. Students, now tick write these in your notebooks. Okay, this time. First, tick write the correct word from the alternatives given below. A document is a piece of written, printed or electronic matter that provides story or information. Answer is information. You can open or recent file by clicking a file name listed in the recent latest document list. Answer is recent. We are working on the recent file now. That's why answer is recent. Next, opening, saving, opening. A document means storing it for further use. When we can use further our document? When we save it. So answer is saving. Next, the close or exit options on Microsoft Office button lets you exit Microsoft Office Word program. Answer is close. Okay. Now next, write the speed keys to perform the following functions. First, to create a new document. Answer is CTRL plus N. This CTRL means control, shortcut of control. Okay. Next, to open an existing document, control plus O. To save a document, control plus S. Fourth, to print a document, control plus P. Now write the process of the following. This time you will write steps for these. Okay. I have already explained this, how to create a document, how to open an existing document, save a document and printing a document. This time you will write all the steps for these questions. Okay. Now our 15th chapter is also over. Your homework is write this chapter in your IT notebook. Okay students, if you have any doubt then you can ask to me. Okay, bye bye, take care.